How to replace the side panel on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for reassembly. We will be replacing the right-hand side panel, but if you are replacing the other side, you may follow the same instructions for the left-hand side panel. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Locate the upholstered flap underneath the right-hand side of the seat pad and lift to detach the hook and loop fastener to access the side panel hoses and connectors. Press the tab on each of the 3 white connectors to detach and disconnect. The left-hand side panel will only have 2 L-shaped hoses. Pull upward on the 2 hoses to detach. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and washer. Lift and rotate the side panel upward to detach. If replacing the left-hand side panel, before detaching, place the tablet on the seat, then lift up on the tablet holder to remove and set aside. There are 5 mounting points to install the new side panel. The horseshoe bracket to the post, the black tab into the slot, the clips onto the rear shroud, the rear white mount to the upper bracket, and then the front white mount into the lower bracket. Line up the horseshoe bracket with the post. Then, while applying pressure to the panel, slide the bracket onto the post to attach. Rotate the panel downward to attach the 2 clips onto the rear shroud and continue rotating to insert the black tab into the slot while inserting the rear white mount into the upper bracket. The back of the panel should be flush against the cowl. Check to make sure the side panel hoses and connectors are accessible. Then, push down on the front of the side panel to insert the front mount into the lower bracket. Connect the 3 connectors, by size, to their corresponding connectors on the chair. If you are replacing the left-hand side panel, you will only need to connect the 2 hoses, by color, to their corresponding fittings. Now, replace the screw and washer previously removed to secure the side panel to the chair. Then, press the upholstered flap down onto the seat to secure it over the cable connections.